You are not ready for what Volkswagen is cooking up next. Just when you thought the GTI legacy couldn't possibly get any wilder, VW goes full savage mode and drops this bombshell. The ID.2 GTI Clubsport, an all-electric hot hatch that's not just fast, it's feral. According to reports, the masterminds in Braunschweig, Germany, are brewing something that could change the EV hot hatch game forever. Imagine this: 282 horsepower, front-wheel drive, and a fully mechanical limited-slip differential. No lame brake-based trickery here. This thing is raw, analog, and unfiltered. It's like VW took the Golf GTI Clubsport soul, electrified it, and turned the dial up to 11. But wait, there's more. VW is reportedly simulating gear shifts. Yes, simulated shifts in an EV. Why? Because who needs logic when you can have drama? They're trying to give you that classic manual transmission punch, without the awkward jerks of real gear changes. It's theatrical, it's nostalgic, and it's absolutely nuts. And what about the bones of this beast? Built on the brand new MEB Entry platform, the base ID.2 might start below $29,000, but the GTI and Clubsport trims? These aren't your average commuter cars. These are electric weapons, and they're coming in hot. Will this electric GTI Clubsport ever hit US shores? No confirmation yet, but one thing's clear. If it does, it might just light a fire under every EV hot hatch pretender in the game. And just when you catch your breath, word on the street says VW isn't done. There's a whisper: an IDR is coming. All-wheel drive, in-wheel motors, 400 horsepower. That's not a car. That's a sci-fi fever dream with a VW badge on it. Ladies and gentlemen, the electric revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And Volkswagen? They're not playing around anymore.